Hey guys, Steve here. Today I wanted to just go over a quick update for the multiple income funnel and reasons why you need to be excited right now. For one, I'm excited because I've been able to witness a whole team's transition from one platform to another, and it really highlighted the fact of how like big time affiliate marketers are able to go from one system to another and crush it completely, right? How they just join a system and dominate the leaderboards without really putting any effort. And that's, like I said, that has more to do with what I've been watching, and that is the transition of one whole team, one whole downline from one person, these top affiliate marketers, over to a whole new system. And I'll show you the leaderboards for that, for this new platform in a minute. Secondly, to be excited for is this is an opportunity if you are an existing MIF member or an existing member of this other platform. It's a way that you can really benefit from the buzz and the hype around what's going on right now. So basically, if you don't know, the multiple income funnel is a multiple income stream platform that has 4 core products and now 3 additional bonus income streams. And I'll show you that right now. So let's pop over here. Let's minimize this over here. So you have, this is the back office of the multiple income funnel. You see you have 4 core income streams. You have the multiple income funnel platform, which is 1, right? Number 2 is the, if you didn't know, this is $49 a month. You can earn $20 a month residually. Income stream number 2, which is coming soon, which I'm going to tell you right now. In a few minutes, income stream number 3, which allows you to make 100% commission. $100 a pop, right? Income stream number 4 has various traffic levels that you can make commissions on every single one of your levels. But that is your traffic source for your whole, the whole engine, your whole multiple income funnel business. Now let's pop over here to the bonus streams, which number 5 is the the My Lead Gen Secret, which is an affordable way to get 100 leads a day. Scalability Pro income stream number 6, which is a way that you can upscale any affiliate business, because I went through the course myself and you can apply any of the principles in there to any business and quickly scale up your business. And then finally, you have bonus income stream number 7, which used to be income stream number 2, which allows you to make $25 to $2,000 per sale. Now that's still in here. It just was relocated or reshuffled from income stream number 2 to income stream number 7, primarily because of some changes that was going on in this independent business. Now, all of these streams are independent businesses that the creator of this platform, Max Mill, just incorporated under one umbrella. Kind of how like you walk into Walmart and you see McDonald's, the nail shop, the bank, and then some old like electronics store. You know what I'm saying? So it's kind of like that, where you have one umbrella with multiple streams of income inside that you can generate commissions from. So that's the concept here. So what's happened lately is, over the past few days, is they've changed what income stream number 2 is. It was, like I said, he's one up. Now it's going to be, drum roll, the Power Lead system. I know drum roll wasn't big enough delay, but let me get there. Now, here's the Power Lead system. Here's basically what you get. This is just one of the many sales pages. It's a viral commission generating platform. It's a marketing system that has capture page builders, autoresponders, training, and all kinds of stuff. I've been in it since 2019. So, you know, I've stuck with this. And it's been around since 2013. So it is stable, and and you can generate some nice commissions off of it if you didn't know. So here's where the magic happens is when your referrals share your Power Lead system, you can get viral 24/7 cash commissions, right? You get paid a stream of 50% matches. And I'll leave a link in the description box below. But basically, you refer 3 members and it's free. That's all you need. It's free because it starts to pay for itself, right? So as a regular customer, you pay $30 a month. As an affiliate, you pay $53.97, of which, as you're building your team, you get those $20 commissions per member per month, right? But it doesn't stop there. Whenever your team's line starts growing, you also make 50% matches off of each and every person, which I want to show you here. Let me see if there's before I get to that, let me see if there's a diagram of how that works. Right here, perfect. Here's the diagram, right? So if I brought in Mary, John, and Sue, and Tom, right? And they each were bringing in Mary was bringing in $980 a month, John was bringing $1,800, Sue brought in $3,500, and Tom brought in $400. Because they're on my pay line, I will receive a 50% bonus that doesn't come out of Mary, John, Sue, or Tom's pocket. It's straight commission roll up. So I get 50% of $980, which is $490. I'll get 50% of John's, which is $900. I'll get 50% of Sue's, and I also get 50% of Tom's. So you can see how this commission is awesome. And then when you combine it with the multiple income funnel, right? Right? All day. That's all I got to say. So anyway, also the additional components that provide high ticket commissions within the multiple income funnel are like independent income streams itself, right? Because not only do you get the core commissions with the multiple income funnel, but also you can make $100 commissions right here with $25 roll-ups, right? From these income streams within the Power Lead system. You can make $400 front-end sales, right? 100%, direct pay, right? $400 with 50% write-up from if your team, your downline sells it, right? And then you can also get $1,000 commissions if your downline makes a sale, you get $200 roll up, right? So it's awesome. It's an awesome opportunity to really maximize your commissions using the multiple income funnel. And that's why it's so exciting, because if you're not positioned now, you need to be. Get into position, because right now the buzz is building. People transition. And that's what I want to show you next. I want to show you how I witnessed the whole team roll from the multiple income funnel over to the Power Lead system. So let me go to my account. Let me go to commission earned. So, and I want to show you real quick that I do earn money with the Power Lead system. Let's see, commissions paid. So you see, I started in July of 2019 with my very first commission. Then I started making them, and I started, as a newbie, I'm struggling. And I started earning and learning, right? So eventually I've been earning consistently, and then I hit, $431, and you get $100 paydays and $20 paydays. And as you can see here, it shows that they take some of your commissions and pay for your monthly memberships automatically. So just if you didn't know that, that's how that happens. So like I said, I've been in it for a while, but what I want to show you is the leaderboard here real quick. The leaderboard here. So this is this week's leaderboard from the 14th to the 20th. And if you just look here, you see Michael Day. Well, first of all, Rob Fraser, he's like one of the main people who's always been in the Power Lead system, but he promotes the multiple income funnel, but he's always been here. He's on the top. Michael Day, he's on the top. He's directly from the multiple income funnel. Daniel's directly from the multiple income funnel. Sam Randall's directly from the multiple income funnel. So they're bringing their teams over, right? Which is creating a buzz around the Power Lead system. So if you are an ex-member, reactivate your account. If you're a current member, this is the time to ride the wave of popularity, and you may want to join the multiple income funnel, because that will help build your downline. And there'll be a link in the description box below for that too. So let me show you last week's movement that really caught my attention. Where's that at? Where did I just see that? Man, where did I just see last week's at here? So that happened here. Unlimited they changed the name. Okay. So that's what happened. Let me just go back here and show you what happened. So this is the current one. I know I'm all over the place, but I was looking for a particular name and it disappeared. So Scott Darvid is also a MIF person who's new to the Power Lead system, right? And as you can see, everybody's promoting this $7 lead lightning, because that will get you $7 in the gate, and I'll show you more about that in a minute. But here's what I wanted to do. I want to go here, and the name is mysterious, right? Unlimited Lifestyles. So Unlimited Lifestyles is actually Mac Mills, okay? So as you can see, he's in position number 1. He brought his whole team over, basically, right? And so in the first week that they did this, he's the top dog. Rob Fraser's number 2. Number 3 is Michael Day. So if they brought over 100 members each, and those teams brought over 100 members each, just think about the commissions that are being made from the commission structure that I showed you here. Where is it at? This is the, yeah. From the commission structure that I showed you here on how this rolls out, right? Or even this little diagram here on how if you brought over for every person and they brought over 100 people. So you can see the math, you can see the numbers, you can imagine how that commission is going to be working here. So anyway, that's part of the excitement, right? That's what I wanted to really show you, is that these teams are moving over and you're having all of these teams are moving from one platform to another. I mean, not really leaving MIF, but they're taking over another whole platform. And right now, and even Jason Perez, he's also a big guy in the MIF. So all of these teams are transitioning over to the new income stream, and this is where a lot of commissions are being generated. All right. So now let me just show you a few things that the Power Lead system, just real quick behind the scenes, since I got that out of the way, let me show you what the Power Lead system can do for you here. And I want to show you. This is a capture page that I made in the Power Lead system. As you know, this is one of the sales pages that promote the opportunity. Here's a free lead lightning system that you can send to your prospects as a free member. Now, just think about this. When you incorporate this free component, this link in the MIF funnel, what it does is, if a person is not a full-blown Power Lead system member, 50% of their leads get passed up to you. I don't know if you understand that. So basically, let me say it again. Once they plug in the code here, depending on what link they put here, whether it's the free trial or the free lead system, right? Which I think it probably should be the free lead system. And the reason why I say that is because if the person never upgrades, you automatically get 50% of their downline, right? But once they put that link here, and if they just choose to promote like the free lead system, you'll get 50% of their leads passed up to you automatically. Now, there's also a component here where you can make $7 commissions. And I want to show you a funnel that I made inside the Power Lead system. And this is it right here. So let me go to the main page here. And this is what it is. It's just discover how you can start earning multiple high-ticket commissions on Complete Autopilot. Let's go inside the funnel. Here's my sales page. It leads with the $7 lead lightning offer. As you can see, I just threw some fancy header up here where I can promote the multiple income funnel just with a click. But really what it does is it promotes the lead lightning system. And how I have it set up is it's a sales page that presents why you need the lead lightning system with your normal advertisers at the top. I have a traffic source here. If I click that, guess where it takes me? My primary free to get started traffic authority website, right? Here's just a side brand offer that I have, and here's my multiple income funnel commission generating system link here. But yeah, so I have that here, and then it walks people through the lead lightning sales so you can get them into your system. But not only that, it's a low ticket sale, so it presents them with a way to join something for only $7. And if you didn't know, the way Power Lead system works is when you come in lead lightning, it walks them up to a bigger sale. So they can pay you $7, and guess what? You automatically get $6 commissions on, and then it walks them into the system. So it's another way I would put this in the funnel. So you're guaranteed at least a $6 commission. You're not scaring anybody away. And after they pay the $49 to get into the multiple income funnel, and you get hit with a $7, that's a no-brainer. But they're already cooking to you at that point, right? Which is amazing. So then you come down here, and the way this page is set up, it just walks them through why they would need it. And right here it says, hey, you can promote any opportunity with this $7. So it'll show them how to do that here. And like for here, you just click there and it'll take them to whatever offer you want. It shows them how to set up their lead lightning system independently of the multiple income funnel. It shows them a screenshot of one of our success stories of how someone made $258 off of just selling the $7 offer. And down here, I have a button presenting, hey, activate your forward income stream, and it takes them to here. And this is a bridge page that I threw in to show you how the Power Lead system can do anything you want. And this is just to hype up the next page. Warning, this is dangerously addictive, done for you system. it banks this guy money, and I click there, and it takes him to my Power Lead system. I mean, my multiple income funnel sales page. But anyway, that is a system that I built inside of the Power Lead system that, if you didn't know, the Power Lead system has share codes for, so that each one of these components are share coded. Like the system is share coded. So I can give somebody a number like S.Dean 1234. They plug it into their back office here. I'll just show you real quick. I'm making this video long, I know. But you plug it into your share codes here, hit submit, and now you have that system in your back office. So I don't know if any of you guys deal with like, say, ClickFunnels, which is like $100 a month, that they have basic share codes as well. But this is more affordable, and it has a more higher capacity for commissions, right? So anyway, these are just some of the things that I already have in my back office. There's all kinds of share pages. There's crypto pages. There's Cash App pages. There's Forex or Forsage pages. There's free money funnel pages. There's selling apps pages. There's lead lightning pages. And you can see the list goes on and on. There's my lead gen secret share codes for promoting my lead gen secret. There's Power Lead Profits. It's a Bones creates a lot of these systems, right? And there's various different text bot systems and capture pages, and you got capture pages for days. But anyway, that's the power of the Power Lead system. So don't let the appearance fool you. But anyway, let's go back real quick, and I want to touch again about the commission, how you pay a one-time, you pay your monthly, but you can earn $20 per month. But all you need is 3 signups, paying members, and basically your monthly, your monthly subscription is for free. So just hear that. So if you get 3 signups in the multiple income funnel, paying members, your monthly is free. If you get 3 signups in the Power Lead system, your monthly is free, right? And you just bank all of those commissions. But anyway, that's all that I got. If you're interested in learning an easy way to make money online, click the link below, or reach out. If this is on Facebook, reach out to me. I'll get you the link. But that's all that I got. Sorry the video was so long, but I was trying to pack in a lot of information in here so you can get a nice idea of what to expect when they insert income funnel number 2, the Power Lead system. Anyway, that's all that I got. Like, share, subscribe, and I'm out.